Hey everybody, this is Ken. I am back with another accessory video from VION. If you do know, VION is one of my favorite companies to review products because they're just premium. They're really good to work with, and I really appreciate them including me in any new products released. This will be a simple one, more premium than what you'll get probably like on Amazon, like I probably have on here. I have a matte screen protector, but this is for all of the 16-inch QHD Model Ys that just came out, every single generation, including with the performance. And this will be more high quality for you. These screens are really nice. They're high def screens, and they definitely slim the bezels, which I really like that. So let's check it out on the screen here. So on here, I'm gonna go ahead and load up the browser, and I already have the VION page pulled up. As you can see, let's make that bigger here. They have their new product, the Model Y screen protector. So if I hit buy, let's just go over some of the specs, but it says all 2026 Model Y trims, June 5th, 2026 or later, 2026 Model Y Premium, January 2026 or later, and the 2026-2025 Model Y Performance, late summer 2025 or later. So some of the little specs it shows is a simpler way to install. They have the installation kit, which I know will be premium. It has 5 layers of everyday protection, oleophobic coating, explosion resistant layer, helps reduce glass scattering if damaged, 9H tempered glass, helps resist everyday scratches and wear, impact absorbing layer, helps disperse minor impacts, and the PET release film supports a smoother, cleaner installation. And it's got the 3D curved edge coverage, so it's high transparency tempered glass, helps preserve the screen's original brightness, colors, and sharpness. The smooth surface maintains responsive touchscreen operation for navigation, entertainment, climate control, and everyday use. Also, in this, it comes with a rear screen as well, so you'll get a premium screen protector for your 16-inch front screen protector, and you'll also get it for your 8-inch rear screen protector as well. It's telling you before applying, use the screen cleaning mode, turn the AC off. Basically, all you have to do is cover, pull, and tear. And it has a little, like a squeegee or something, I believe. 2 of the auxiliary tools to clean your screen and all of that. You have your rear screen protector right here. You really don't have a guide for that. I don't think you would need one anyway. And this is the screen protector right here. This is like a hard plastic. So this is nice. It's really hot here today, so I'm gonna just put this in manual mode and put it like on like 2 to give myself some type of airflow for my cameras. Okay, so that's the first thing, and then I'm gonna go to display right here and then go to screen clean mode. Let's take off my old screen protector. Have the dust-free installation tool here. You just make sure all 4 corners are good. So you have it on there, push that side in, and the sides usually put on there. You just pull this tab by holding this side, of course. Make sure that's down. Then I'm gonna just press and slide. And then after this, all you have to do is wait 30 seconds and I'll be right back. Okay, so after you press and slide, wait 30 seconds. Now the last step, number 4, is just to remove this. Now all I'm gonna do is just remove each side. All I'm gonna do is pull this up. touch responsiveness is great. Yep, quality premium screen protector. Let's go to the back. So I have this ready to go. You could do it from the back as well. So I'll just put it on clean. Take that microfiber cloth. Dust absorber. Just go over it really quick. Don't see nothing on it. And this one don't have a guide, but that's okay. And like any screen protector, please paste this side up. So we're gonna make sure it's like that. This is the back side right here. Get rid of that. Let's put your fingers along that corners and let's see if we have any bubbles. No bubbles whatsoever. Very responsive. Every time I tap something, it loads up something. So I like this. That's one thing you want to test to make sure, but I don't have to test with VION. Their stuff, it always works. Just to close out this video, I just wanted to show you a close-up as best as I could. This 3D curved edge that they were touting on their website is true. It just curves. The 8-inch screen in the back seat was really good as well. It's just a more traditional one that don't have like the curved edge, but I'm glad they did this on this front screen for the QHD screen. What I was more worried about was the glares. I do think it does a great job with glares as well, so I'm very excited for that. VION sells an array of products that are premium. Like I've always showed in my previous videos, all you gotta do is search on my channel and put VION. If you want to pick this up, I'll leave the link in the description below for you where you can get a little discount on this, but I really think it's worth the price. I think this is premium, way more than what you will find on like Amazon. Definitely recommend this, and I'm not just saying that just to be saying that. This is Ken. I'll see you in the next video.